Ynw Melly's murder trial has continued to reveal some stunning bombshells, and the latest involves the lead detective, who has admitted to intimidating witnesses allegedly involved in the murder of Ynw Juvie and Ynw Sockchaser. On Tuesday, July 18, lead detective Joseph T. Moretti took the stand and confirmed that he threatened Ynw Melly's manager Jameson, 100K track, Francois with deportation and imprisonment following the shooting. Did you as a trained investigator threaten Jameson Francois to be deported to Haiti even though he's been in this country since 5 years? The defense attorney asked Detective Moretti during cross-examination. Yes sir, he answered, after which he was then asked, did you in fact threaten that he would not get fed or get any medicine in the Haitian jails? I don't know about that conversation sir, Moretti replied. The latest update comes after numerous text messages allegedly sent by Melly were read out by the prosecution on Monday, July 17. Law and Crime Network executive producer Kathy Russin shared the text messages allegedly sent by Melly, in which he seemingly admitted to the charges brought against him. And the prosecutors hope the texts will serve as an admission of guilt. She wrote, on the final day of the state's case, they finally introduced the "I did that" shoot text they told the jury about in their opening statement. Prosecutors say this is #Ynw Melly's confession to the killings. In explaining the defense, Russin added, DATV, that. On cross-exam, the defense shows many texts where #Ynw Melly spells the word that as dat. Defense insinuating whoever typed that wasn't their client. #Ynw Melly trial. Last week, attorneys for the defense objected to disparaging text messages between their client and his mother being read aloud in court. Last Wednesday, July 12, David Howard made the case before Judge John Murphy. There are a number of mothers on the jury who may be inclined to convict just because they have heard irrelevant, unrelated conversations between Mr. Demons, Ynw Melly, and his mother, he said. He is calling her the B word, and all sorts and manner of disrespect. That is clearly off-putting to anyone. He continued, and under the pretext that the state of Florida is trying to prove that the phone belongs to Mr. Demons. The state is introducing reams and tons of inadmissible evidence. Elsewhere, Travion Miliak Glass testified that he'd seen Melly in different clothes after the murders of Ynw Juvie and Ynw Sockchaser. We were supposed to have a 12-hour session, he said, referring to a meeting he was supposed to have with the rapper at the New Era recording studios in Fort Lauderdale. Glass said he fell asleep as a result of the night dragging on, but woke up to his phone buzzing about reports of a shooting involving Melly. Glass then went to Fredo Bang's house where he saw Melly, and claimed he wasn't wearing the same clothes. Ynw Melly was arrested and charged with 2 counts of premeditated murder in 2019 and is currently facing life imprisonment without the possibility of parole. If convicted, he could get the death penalty.